Hello and welcome to How to Start a Home Yoga Practice. My name is Lauren Lapointe and thank you so much for being here. Have you been wanting to deepen your yoga practice and bring more of a mind-body connection to your everyday life? Have you been thinking about starting a home yoga practice, but you're not really sure how to go about doing that or where to begin? In this course, we're going to look at how to get you onto your mat and into a fun and fulfilling and regular home yoga practice. This is not a how to do yoga course, but rather a how to start a home yoga practice course. We're going to look at the nuts and bolts of starting your own home yoga practice so that you'll know exactly what to do and how to get going with it. And by the end of the course, you'll have your own home yoga practice up and running, and you'll have all of these tools and resources available to you so that you'll be able to continue and evolve your home practice on your own. So here are a few things that this course will include. We're going to look at why we should start a home yoga practice. We're going to look at how to set up and start a home yoga practice. So we'll look at the logistics to that. We'll look at what to do in your home yoga practice. A lot of people ask that off the top of when we start to talk about a home yoga practice, what do I do? What do I do? So we're going to look at that in more detail. And this course and just really developing a home yoga practice is really about empowerment. We're empowering ourselves when we start a home yoga practice. So thank you so much for being here. I look forward to seeing you in the course ahead. Thanks again and see you soon.